Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to the detailing den with me, Oldub. Now, today's video we're going to be talking about wheel cleaners, Iron Out and Reactive specifically. We've got my Scirocco here as a dummy to test out these products, and I'm going to tell you the difference between both of these great products. Reactive here on my right is a new product that has been released this year, and on my left we have Iron Out, which we've all been using for years. Now, since the release of Reactive, everyone has asked on the Facebook group which is the better one to use and what is the difference between Reactive and Iron Out. Well, stay tuned and I'm going to tell you everything you need to know. So then, let's kick things off with Iron Out, the go-to trusty product that we've all been using for years, traditionally known as that wheel cleaner that goes purple and smells like rotten egg. That is Iron Out, and unfortunately Reactive smells the same as well. So, Iron Out, originally brought in as obviously a wheel cleaner, what people use it for, but the purpose of this is to attack iron, whether it be on your wheels or whether it be on your paintwork. But we've always used it for wheels. Now, this product does a great job at destroying all that brake dust, helps clean your wheels, helps decontaminate the paintwork of your body. Not a very sudsy product, spray it on, rinse it off, job's done. So let's move on to Reactive and tell you some of the differences between this and Reactive. Reactive then. So you're thinking, Ollie, it does the same thing. Well, yeah, you're correct. So Reactive has been designed to be a wheel cleaner with the Iron Out properties as well. So Reactive then, it is the same product, however it's a bit of a hybrid. Think of it as Iron Out mixed with Imperial. The two of them are forged together and made Reactive. So you still get the great chemical reaction of the purple from the Iron Out. You still get the same pH balance wheel cleaning, but Reactive offers a sudsy product which you can use to agitate the dirt on the wheels, and that has extra power in removing road grime as well as the ferrous contamination that is produced from the brakes on the wheels. So then, let's summarise these two products. Reactive is a powerful wheel cleaner which packs a punch to remove road grime and the iron contamination from your wheels. Iron Out, on the other hand, will do the same thing, but is geared towards chemical decontamination of your paintwork, glass, mirror, trims, etc. when doing a full big detail on your car. So as a wheel cleaner we have Reactive, as a body decontamination we have Iron Out. Both do the same job. This is £1 more expensive, this is £12.95 and this is £13.95. However, you could save 15% with my code Oldub15. So without further ado, let's hook the pressure washer up. We'll do one wheel with Reactive and one wheel with Iron Out, and we'll show you the difference. Let's start. You've already seen how dirty the wheel is, so we're going to spray this on dry now. And we'll leave that to soak for a couple of minutes and then rinse off. So as you can see already, the contamination is starting to bleed off the wheels. So let's go ahead and rinse it off and see how clean the wheel is afterwards. So let's go ahead and rinse it off. Now that's looking really good already. giving us a firm basis to start washing these wheels with a contact wash. So what I'm going to do is, to make it a fair experiment, I'm going to move the Scirocco over and I'm going to repeat the same process on the driver's front wheel, as obviously the front wheels on a front wheel drive car are going to get 70% of the braking. So we'll move the Scirocco and then we'll complete the same experiment on the driver's front wheel using reactive and demonstrate to you the results. We've moved the car over and now we have access to the driver's side wheel. So same process as before. We're going to cover the wheel in reactive, leave it to dwell, show you the results and then rinse it off. This is a fresh bottle as well, so it takes a minute to get the product through the straw. Good coating. Now obviously this product is designed for getting sudsy, so you can use a brush to actually agitate the dirt. And you can already tell, in comparison to Iron Out, look how bubbly it is, and it's just there ready to be agitated. Whereas obviously Iron Out, it doesn't have that same sudsy effect. Now, in a real world, you would agitate this, then rinse it off, but I'm not going to do that because I always like to do a pre-clean prior to any contact washing, as these black chrome wheels can show up swirl marks. So leave that to dwell and then we'll come back in a minute and I'll show you the results. So you can definitely see the difference between the two products. How frothy is that reactive? So it's pulling the dirt off, but it's sudsy and frothy, ready for you to agitate it with a brush. So without further ado, let's rinse it off. Oh, sorry guys, didn't see you over there. I was too busy taking shade from the sun because it is absolutely roasting. It's 32 degrees and it is so hot. So just to summarise, we've seen the results that you can achieve by using reactive, and we've seen the results you can achieve using Iron Out. Obviously reactive as a dedicated wheel cleaner performs so much better, removing grime and iron out from the wheel. Hopefully this video has been beneficial to you and I've been able to tie up a few loose ends. Now, it goes without saying, if you've enjoyed this video, same as always, please like it, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment in the comment section below, griddle me for something, call me a wuss for using an umbrella, just give me any abuse or suggestions or future videos that you'd like to see on the channel. But until next time guys, stay fresh, stay finessed, and most importantly, stay hydrated. Peace out.